In today's world, data drives every decision from groundbreaking research to business innovation. And what's the key that unlocks the power of this data? It's Python, the language that turns raw numbers into powerful, actionable insights. Ready to master it? In this comprehensive 3-month journey, you will dive deep into the strong foundations of Python from very basics. We'll explore the core essentials, then move on to powerful libraries like NumPy and Pandas for efficient data manipulation, handling, and management. You will also learn to create stunning 2D and 3D visualizations and tell compelling stories with your data using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Each session is packed with practical, hands-on skills, guiding you from basic data cleaning and analysis, all the way to advanced storytelling through visuals. Imagine the possibilities. Whether you're an economist analyzing market trends, a social scientist exploring survey data, or an engineer reviewing complex sensor readings, Python is your ultimate tool. It empowers you to uncover hidden patterns, rigorously test your hypotheses, and make solid, evidence-based decisions. This course is designed to help you turn complex data into clear knowledge, and that knowledge into real-world impact. Don't wait to start your data journey. Learn, analyze, and discover with Python. Enroll now and transform your career. Check the link in the description to sign up and open your door of success with Digdatum. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.